What's going on, everyone? Golden Ticket to History coming to you here from Seaworld. It's a VIP pass holder night. Park closed around 6 p.m. from 7 to 10 p.m. tonight. Only pass holders are allowed inside the park. A good part of the park is closed, like many of the shops you can see behind me over here in Key West are closed. You can't get over to the Stingray Sanctuary. However, the rides are still running, so it's a really big ride kind of night. A few concession stands are open. Pretty much all the restaurants are closed. Pipeline right now has pretty much the longest wait of about 45 minutes. The icebreaker is about 15 minutes or so. Mako is 10 minutes. The Infinity Falls is 5 minutes. Mako's 10 minutes. Manta is 10 minutes. They're all less than 20 minutes, so it's definitely a big, quick ride. You can go in, get on the rides. I haven't had a chance to make it over by Kraken and such, but it's been a while since I've been to Seaworld, so a nice little night, a couple hours to go hit up some of the rides and just enjoy the park in a less busy, less humid, less hot environment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already to check out some of the clips we have going on. Come along with me. As you can see, Manta's going on behind me. So check out some of the stuff. Let's go.
So as you can see, the theme park is a lot more empty than it normally is. As you can see here over here at Manta, it's less than a 20-minute wait, which seems to be pretty consistent across the board, where most of the rides are less than 20 minutes. Some as little as 10 minutes. The only really excessive one is the new Pipeline, which is about 45 minutes. But as you see, some of the shops are closed. Build-A-Bear is closed. You can't go over to Key West where the Stingrays are at. You see some of the vacation club stuff's closed. They're doing some stuff over in Antarctica, which should hopefully take and be pretty interesting to see what happens here soon. Nice little stroll, going through and just enjoying the night for ride night. I normally don't get a chance to make it over to SeaWorld too often. The parking sometimes can be somewhat of a nuisance, and I'm not really a huge roller coaster person, so going on the roller coasters isn't a huge priority for me when I go to the theme parks. So I don't always put too much effort into that. But nice little stroll. As you can see here, we're walking by the Sharks Encounter. As you can see, the Sharks Underwater Grill is closed, but you still can go walk over and look at the sharks and stingrays if you want to. Most of the shops are closed as well. Just nice little evening stroll. The park was open from 7 till 10 p.m. for pass holders only. The park closed to the general public around 6 p.m. tonight. So, nice opportunity, nice gesture to the pass holders to be able to take and come and spend the evening just strolling around through the park and not have to worry about super long lines. Nice gesture by SeaWorld, definitely. I was quite surprised to see that Infinity Falls only had a 10-minute wait. Normally they'll wait 70 minutes to over an hour and a half. But with it being the pass holder night, the ride was only 10 minutes. I did not go on it because I didn't really want to deal with wet clothing this late at night, but definitely something to think about. So yes, I just want to take you guys on a quick little stroll through the pass holder night. I wanted to come just walk around and enjoy the park. As you can see, Mako only has a 10-minute wait, which is super short for Mako. So definitely think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. As always, continue for the history and film, and I look forward to taking you guys on a lot more theme parks, haunted locations, historic locations, true crime, theme parks, and so much more. Have a great day, everyone. Continue for the history and film.